Guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Instagram++ totally for free both in Android and iOS. With this app you'll be able to actually spy on Instagram profiles, and I'm going to show you an example before we get the app together. So I got this app online, I got this account online which had just one post and it was a private account, so I decided to spy on it. So let me show you how it works. As you can see here, it says that the account is private, that I can actually not message it or follow it or anything like that. So now let me go to Instagram++ and show you that I can actually spy this very profile. So if I go back to this app, at this very moment, you can see that I'm on Instagram right now. And if I actually go to the profiles tab over here, you can see that it is actually unlocked and I can spy on the profile, I can message it or follow it. Now let me show you how to get this app, as I said, both in Android and iOS devices. Now if you are in an iOS device, to get the app installed there is a couple of settings that you need to change on your phone just to prepare it for the installation of Instagram++, and if you are on Android, then there is no settings that you need to change, so Android users can skip to the part where I open the browser and show you where to get the app. So without further ado, let me just start by showing you how it's done. Firstly, I'm gonna change the settings, so you need to make sure that your orientation is locked just like this. And once you've locked orientation, you need to go back to your settings, and when you are on the main settings you need to find the general settings tab and then go to background app refresh and make sure that background app refresh is turned on. For me it's on already, but if it's off for you, if it says background app refresh off like this, then you need to simply tap on it and then tap on Wi-Fi and mobile data to turn it on. So this is all the settings that you need to change on your iOS device. And if you are on Android, now is the time that you should start following this tutorial because the steps are the same on both phones. So next, you need to open your browser on both devices and go to buellhub.com. So buellhub.com is the website that you need to go, and once you're here, this is how the page is gonna look like. And to get Instagram++, you can either go on the featured apps over here and start looking for the app, or you can just scroll down until you find Instagram++, or the best option in my opinion is by using the search bar. So if you go to the search bar over here and start typing Instagram, you're gonna see that Instagram++ is gonna show up just like this. So now to get it you need to simply tap on it, and then you need to tap on the download now button over here to basically start downloading and installing Instagram++ automatically. Now for the installation to be successfully completed, you will be redirected in a new window where you need to complete a couple of more steps which are very well explained, and then once you complete these extra steps, only then you'll be able to get Instagram++ on your phone. I will go on and explain these steps to you right now, and they're gonna be very easy and very understandable. So here we are, I'm almost there, and this is the last stage. As I said before, you are going to need to download 2 free apps from the list below, install them and complete the instructions. For example, let me start with the first step. I'm gonna choose one of the apps from the list here, and I'm gonna go with, let me see here, because there are several that I can choose from, so I don't know which one do I want to choose. Alright, I'm gonna go with this one over here called CyberGhost VPN, and in the instructions it says that I need to simply open the app and create an account or something like that. So I'm gonna fast forward this part of the video while I actually go and download the app and complete the instructions. Another thing I should mention is that depending on the country watching this video from, and depending on the platform, being Android or iOS, you might get different apps to download with different instructions, so don't worry if you don't see the apps that are on my verification window here. So I'm gonna fast forward just right now until I actually run the first app and complete the instructions. So once you're done with the first app, you need to simply go back to the browser and choose a second app from the list. I'm gonna go back now, tap on the back button and choose another app. In my case, I'm gonna go with this Zynga Solitary app because it says that I need to download it and simply run it for 30 seconds. So you need to follow these 3 steps over here, go to App Store and search for Solitary free games. So tap on the red button over here to go to App Store, and once you're here, go to the search bar and start searching. So let me just do that right now, Solitary games free, and here it is. I'm gonna choose the app that was on the list there, which is this Solitary over here, And I'm gonna fast forward this part of the video one more time while I download Solitary, install it, and then run it for 30 seconds. So once you're done with both apps, the last step is the easiest of them all, because all you need to do next is that you need to wait 5 to 10 minutes, and once you do wait, Instagram++ will be installed on your phone. So thanks for watching, have a good day and enjoy Instagram++.